Here is how you set up your LiteWay Economy or Stratus retractor. Simply lay the base of the retractor on a clean, flat surface. The Economy model has feet on the bottom of the base that simply swivel out to provide necessary stability. Next, unfold the shock-corded pole and place in the hole on the backside of the base. Same applies for the Stratus model. There is a flip lever attachment used to extend the reach of the pole. Set to the desired height. Grab the top rail from the base and pull up to reveal the banner. Align the channel on the back of the top rail with the top cap of the pole and secure into place. And it's just that easy to set up your LiteWay Economy or Stratus retractor.